Let's get to the disrespect.
Well, we are here, ladies and gentlemen.
We are here. You didn't come here with what I thought you was gonna come here with, which is some other air, those gray air. You didn't get those?
Which gray air?
The gray joints that just came out.
The gray
with like a
they were.
They got like the gum sole almost.
I had to make a decision.
I can't do it.
Can't do it all, huh? I had already picked up a bunch of joints for my cousin out in LA. I picked up the joints from Morgan. Ducky had these and the gray joints, and they hit me with the.
Let's get to it. God darn it.
Well, these are courtesy of my chickadees for Christmas. I got the Nike gift card, which I decided to go in and create my own Air Force One.
Yes,
for the Nike Bayou program.
Yes, indeed. Alrighty. I'm digging. Oh, I see things shining.
Little puppies.
Woo! I see things happening.
So, the inspiration to these.
Nice.
Last year, he just read the back of them, so he knows where I'm going with this.
Yep.
Last year, after we had all lost a whole bunch of weight, I ended up switching some items, had to rebuild my wardrobe, and I anchored my wardrobe in satin jackets, satin baseball jackets.
Yep.
We had a little party for our birthdays, and I had one on at the birthday party, and shout out to Vic. We were talking, and he pointed out, he rubbed the jacket, and was like, this is like something from the 90s era. And I was like, the R&B Satin.
R&B, that's where R&B Satin was born?
That's where R&B Satin was born. And so all of my satin is considered that. So, Air Force Ones on Nike.com, the Nike Bayou program, they had satin options. So, because I got a few satin pieces, decided to go ahead and get these joints.
So, all right. So, the satin piece. Okay, let's just start from the beginning, right? So, this is basic, right? But it's complex at the same time, right? The black sole with the off-white midsole, perfect. What are we talking about? When you got married and you bought us or whatever. We all got sneakers. You bought us all sneakers. I got the Dunks.
We did before this new style.
Oh shit, that was a long time ago. What are we talking about?
We broke the mold at that time. Continue.
Don't even get me started. Right. And the Dunks that I had you get me, black and the same color, same colorway,
black and white, and
same exactly with the black with the blue string. They came with blue strings and black strings.
Okay.
So I already like these, right? And then you just had it. This is a black and cream colorway.
Absolutely.
Through and through. The satin, is this actual satin?
Yeah.
Because it feels like leather that looks like satin, but this is actual satin.
Yeah.
It's woven so tight that it feels like leather.
Yeah.
I mean, you hit it out the park with these, huh? What else can be said? The tongue is just the black canvas joint and whatnot. And then you got the R&B Satin on the back, which will show when I spin these around for a bit. You got that, what'd you call it? The leather, what we calling it again?
Not distressed.
You just came up with a name. Crackle
leather.
The crackle leather.
Yeah.
Premium leather.
Yep.
It's premium leather, yo. You know what I'm saying? And these are going to kill people because they're going to look and just see a black and white Air Force One, which they're going to get intrigued by because this is just not even a common black and white Air Force One silhouette.
So they have, funny enough, they just came out with the Panda Air Force Ones.
I saw those.
Right?
That's not
but
these,
that's
though.
black and white.
White.
This is not white.
No. But then the light is gonna, the sun is gonna say, take that. And they're gonna be like, wait, what is that?
Well, because I also have satin jackets
Well, you know.
and a whole satin sweatsuit.
Whole satin sweatsuit. This guy.
That is gonna slaughter this
Are
shit.
you directing porn movies now?
Sir?
You got some gold chains?
Got some,
I'm going all satin
Matter of fact,
sweatsuit.
I'm going shirtless under the jacket.
You gotta go shirtless.
I'm going LL.
Get some tinted. I should give you these frames.
LL, I need love action. I'm taking it all the way back.
Yo, these just disgusting, son. You did a great job on these, man. I love them. I love this colorway, man. That black and cream, that satin shit is crazy, B. You know what I mean? These shit is nuts, man. I'm glad that you left. Did you have an option to change this?
I did.
Color? Okay, I'm glad it's all cream.
Yeah.
You had an option on. Did you order any other color strings or no?
I'm flipping the coin. One thing I may do is switch out this. I have a black one on another sneaker that I'm not using. And so I may switch. I'm not really sure. I think I may leave it as
I vote
such,
against.
Because I like the fact
all
that
cream,
it's cream
yo.
on there.
Yeah, I like the all cream shit.
Yeah.
But I was just wondering if you played with any other shoestring ideas at all. Did you have the option to change this Nike Air Force One?
I
writing?
did, but no, not the writing.
Okay, not the writing itself.
There were other options for it, but it didn't have that, and I wanted the Nike Air Force One,
No doubt.
like that there. Yeah.
What's usually on there for Air Force Ones?
It's either this or there's another version of this, and then they've got one that's kind of like in a circle. But I wanted the classic Nike Air Force,
No doubt.
the original one. Yeah.
I mean, I think that's the right choice. I'm just trying to get an idea of the choices that you made.
Yeah. So I could have made this different colors. What they didn't
The
have,
tab itself,
well,
or just the writing.
The whole thing, the
Okay,
tab and
okay,
the writing.
okay.
But they only had like 3 or 4 different options, and I didn't want to go with the black because it didn't allow me to do cream. So I figured I would just leave the white because it was the closest thing to it.
Yeah, then you fuck
instead of the black with the white writing.
Do you have the option to change this?
Yeah.
The inside?
Yeah.
Yes. Black is the right choice, clearly.
Yep. I didn't want to go cream because I wanted it to pop with the shoestrings.
The reason I'm asking this, just for y'all, for anyone watching, is that if you've ever gone into the Nike app or any type of design your own sneaker kind of app, it has the tendency to set you up to just go crazy. And you do too much.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? I've done it a bunch of times. It's like you do too much.
I'm embarrassed at what Listen, and let's not get it twisted. They got some, like, this was the color I chose for the satin, but they got some other satin options,
Crazy.
colors that are crazy. And I was just on there playing with a bunch of them. So much that I couldn't pull the trigger on any of them after a while. Because you get so many options.
How long did you look at these like, I think these are it?
I played with the sole a few times before I actually pulled the trigger. I wasn't sure if I wanted it all black or all cream. I played with the ice bottom just to see what the options were. But then when I saw these, I was like, you know what? I just want the class. I'm gonna let them, because I know what I was gonna rock them with.
Yeah.
I just wanted to let them just be at the bottom. And then, came up on all of that Brooklyn Circus action.
Forget about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, these shits is tough. Those are glued in.
Yeah.
All Air Force Ones like that? They all glued in?
Most of them, yeah.
Oh, word. Unless it's probably like some custies or something. Yeah, these shits is tough, man. Yeah, great job on them shits. That shit's gonna be crazy, son. Woo! The white strings, perfect. Like sometimes you know me, I'm not super duper matchy, so like the one color this color, one color this color, one color this.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'll be like, break it up somehow, but nah, that shit is like perfect, yo. The white strings, the off-white strings look fucking perfect in these shits, yo.
Funny enough, I played around with putting actual white in here somewhere. And then I was like, I think I was gonna have the sole be white and black. And then I played around with one of these being white and cream being the opposite. But then, like I said, I just was like, you know what? Let's not do too much.
Yep.
Let's keep it basic. but keep the color, you know, the black and cream, and rock from there.
This shit is right, man. I'll fuck with these. This shit is tough, boy. That satin shit is crazy. Yeah. Sneaks up on you.
Yeah.
It sneaks up on you. Yeah, you gonna crush those on the streets.
Yes, sir.
Good stuff, yo. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. I love it. You know what I'm saying? R&B Satin has made it to the sneaker. It is officially a problem out here in these streets.
Yeah, man.
Woo! Did you have the you couldn't change the stitching either?
Nah, I wanted them. I would have loved for them to be black.
I like the cream. I like that cream, yo.
Again, when you have too many options, you just try.
Yeah, no doubt,
no doubt.
And that's the thing. Yep.
Gotta wipe it.
Yeah, somebody put something. Yeah, man. That's the thing. It's like, oh, let me see what this looks like if it's yellow.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Then you lose.
Like
for me, like then you lose sight of what you originally trying to design.
Yep.
And then you just stop it.
Yeah.
Tough, man. Those tough.
Yeah, man.
Tough. Good shit, sir. Nice unboxing today. Glad we got this knocked out, man, and we'll see what the next month brings.
I have to stop.
Yo, it's going crazy,
I have to
man.
take like 2, but luckily for me, most of these were, well, not most, just this one. Who am I saying? The Pumas were actually surprisingly cheap. Mm-hmm. So that was fantastic. Well, you know,
we're not talking about money here. I mean, to an extent, you are, because we can afford to get the sneakers. That's not the problem.
Yeah.
It's almost like a moral thing. It's like, I'm going too crazy. I gotta stop. You know what I'm saying?
There's gotta be something else. No, I can't say there's gotta be, because Tiff can definitely find the something else to spend my money.
Right.
That I should be spending my money on. But I'm just saying, yeah.
Yeah, and not to say it like, you know, money ain't no issue, like money ain't no issue. No, that's not that. It's just like, it's just crazy. Like, you just...
And you know, for me, like a lot of people don't realize, like I honestly, y'all, I do not spend a lot of money on the sneaker itself. I may have a lot of joints, but they don't I am not the $200, $300 sneaker guy.
Right.
He's not. Far from that.
He's not.
If it's $150, I need to sit down for a second. We got to figure this out.
That's hilarious.
How much do I really like these sneakers?
And want.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, you know, man, listen.
But dopeness doesn't have a price tag either. That's the reality.
It's like, listen, this has to happen.
Right is right,
it has
wrong
to
is
happen.
wrong.
You know what I'm saying? So between the sneakers and the fucking Japanese denim shit.
Just for the record, if I'm wearing these and I see you in the street, ladies and gentlemen, it's, especially most gentlemen, it's a one shake move.
One shake.
Boom.
Acknowledge me.
Sit.
But don't embarrass me.
We're not having a lot of conversation. I'm moving. One shake. I just realized that you had the hat on. This was not playing.
Oh shoot! Yeah, right.
You turned and I just like, oh.
I didn't even pay attention to that when I said it, but you know, it's all good. You know, what I'm saying? Fly. It's love, man. It's family.
We worn more than enough fly high on here.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not one of those things.
Good looking out, son.
Yeah, man.
Good stuff, man. Those shits, those R&B satin shits is crazy.
I'm excited about these.
Those the R&B satins.
I wanted to get these on the streets immediately. That's why we're here. That's the other thing.
It's supposed to be warm tomorrow.
There are, whenever I get sneakers, depending on when I want to wear them, I sometimes will be like, yo, we gotta shoot immediately. Like, I gotta get something on the street for something.
We gotta get this done.
These are in time, man.
Man, y'all be good, man. Until next time, we out.